ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 75, Formatting Charts. So this is the start of Section 15. There will be 5 lessons followed by a revision exercise. So the first of those 5 lessons is this one, Lesson 75, which will be on formatting charts. All parts of a chart, including the colours, axes, text, grid lines, background, etc., all can be changed. So let's open the workbook Charts. Then click on the Sales Chart tab, and this will display the chart that's been moved to a separate sheet. Then click anywhere on the chart to select it. Move the cursor over the left axis of the chart until the tooltip reads Vertical Value Axis. Click to select the vertical axis. Alternatively, to select any part of a chart, click the Chart Elements drop-down on the Format tab. So Format, Current Selection, and from here we can change to select the vertical value axis. On the Format tab in the Current Selection group, click Format Selection, and this will display the Format Axis pane. With the axis options displayed, edit the value in the minimum box, which is located under Bounds, to 2500. Then press Enter. The maximum changes to 7500 and the major unit to 500. The chart changes dynamically as the values are completed. The values are quite large and could have been millions. The value axis can be changed to display the figures in various formats without changing the source data. While in the Format Axis pane, click the drop-down of the Display Units box. The available options are displayed. Select hundreds from the list and see the effect. Then change the display units to thousands. OK, and as we can see, we also have much larger units should the data have contained larger figures. So for example, millions, billions, trillions. OK, close the Format Axis pane. Now, in the top right of the chart, there are 3 buttons. The top button is Chart Elements. OK, click on Chart Elements and check Data Labels. Various options are available to add labels, that's these, to the series. Click on the arrow to the right of Data Labels and select More Options. A Format Data Labels pane is displayed. Make sure that the Value option is checked. Note that the values match the axis display that was changed earlier. The values are added to the outside end by default. Under Label Position, select Inside End. OK. To move from formatting one part of a chart to another, the drop-down next to Label Options can be used. Click the drop-down and select Chart Title. So here's the Label Options button, the down arrow next to it, and select Chart Title. The chart title is Sales at the top center. Click on the title and select the text. A shortcut menu is displayed. Change the font color to blue and the font size to 20. Display the Format tab on the ribbon and add a light yellow shaded background using the Shape Fill button and More Fill Colours. Let's find a light yellow and then press OK. We also want to add a dark blue border. So now on Format, using the Shape Outline button, select a dark blue border. OK. To reposition the chart title, click on the edge of the title and the cursor will change to a 4-pointed arrow, then drag slightly to the left. To add a legend to the chart, click the Chart Elements button and check Legend. The legend is displayed on the right. As an aside, greater control of the legend positioning can be achieved by clicking the right arrow and then More Options. OK, let's reposition the legend further up, away from the columns, and we're going to use the same click and drag method used to move the title earlier on. A legend can be removed either by selecting it and using the Delete key, and I'm now pressing Ctrl Z, or by clicking the Chart Elements button and unchecking Legend. OK, if you save the workbook, we're going to be needing this for the next lesson, which will be lesson 76, in which we will be modifying charts. OK, I hope this has been fun, and I look forward to seeing you next time.